Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off keyboard auto correction on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, you want to open up settings. Okay, so just look for settings and open up settings. In settings, go down and tap on general. Next, you want to tap on keyboard. In the keyboards settings page, go down to the all keyboards section and tap on auto correction. So tap on this switch to turn it off or turn it on. Now once it is on, if you start typing, it will attempt to auto correct any mistakes that you have made. So let's say if I is going to make a mistakes on purpose, so I'm going to put in just one R correction, and then you can see here it will suggest the correction is the correct word, and if I tap on space, it will automatically correct the mistakes for me. And that's it. So if I switch it off and I'll put in the word correction, and then if I tap on space, you can see when I tap on the space, it doesn't auto correct for me. Instead, it will suggest that my typing has a spelling mistakes with a red underline. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.